Hello, this is Willed and Well Armed. We're looking at the SAR K12 Sport, or SAR K12 Sport, imported by SAR USA in Opelika, Alabama. And this pistol, I've had a couple of videos on it before, and it's quite a nice shooter, but I was always complaining about the trigger. It came in at about 4.5 pounds. I shot 500 rounds through it and got it down to about 3 pounds. So since then I did a trigger polishing, polished all the internals, and put a Galloway Precision trigger kit on it, and got it down to about just under 2.5 pounds, about 2.6 pounds. So we'll look at the trigger, and then we'll do some lineman trigger gauge test, and we'll take it to the range. The Galloway trigger kit cost $25, and the polishing took about 6 hours of my time with a Dremel and some different buffing compounds to get it to where I wanted it. So looking at the trigger, first we'll make sure it's clear. Magazine jacked right out. Looking down, completely clear. Looking down here, I can see daylight, so we're all happy that it's clear. Now we'll do a trigger pull. It's the wall. It resets at probably 4 millimeters. Not quite as good as the CZ, but with the Tanfoglio Bolo disconnect, it would work perfectly. All internal parts of this are perfect CZ clone. So you don't have to worry about it, whether it's a CZ or a Tanfoglio. I can affirm everything in here is a CZ. This is the exact CZ clone. So we'll do a couple trigger pull tests with the Lyman trigger gauge. I'm gonna hold a little bit low because that's where I'd hold it for pulling the trigger. 2 pounds, 6 ounce. 2 pounds, 2 ounce. 1 pound, 15 ounce. 1 pound, 15 ounce. 2 pounds even. And then average, 1 pound, 12 ounce. I don't get it, that's what it's been doing. I'm taking it to the range and we'll see how it does today. But anyway, this has been a great pistol. I highly recommend it for the cost and for the accuracy of what you're going to get. This is the K12 Sport. This is Willed and Well Armed, and have a great day and be prepared. Hello, this is Willed and Well Armed. I'm at Sharpshooters USA. The range is quite loud today, so I'm doing a little bit of a voiceover before we get going. This is the SAR K12 Sport. We're going to shoot 50 rounds at 7 meters and see how it does. Third and fourth magazine, 10 rounds each. That's the SAR K12 Sport shooting at 7 yards with a new trigger job and the Galloway Precision Spring Kit. A lot of internal polishing on the parts, and very happy with the results. This is wheeled and well armed, and be prepared.